Hi guys, here's a quick Unbox review for Sydelway dual charging port, fully compatible with Eagle batteries. I received this product as evaluation sample from the vendor Sydelway, but I will share my independent and honest opinion. Open the box, let's put everything on the table. I really like the secured package. You can see the handle very sturdy. Overall, the design is pretty good. Here's the Sydelway's, all the specs. The green is the fan side. The height is about 12-inch high, 10-inch wide. It's weighted almost 72 ounces, so it's not heavy. It's very easy. Here's the original OEM Eagle battery. Here's the off-the-market DTK battery. Those two batteries are different, so the DTK battery almost double the volume. Let's put OEM Eagle battery on. You can see one says start charging, light is flashing, and then I put the off-the-market DTK battery. You can see the fully compatible. Both sides are start charging. The green LED is flashing. What I really like, besides the light flashing, also indicating the high temperature. If the red light's on, that means the high temperature is the issue. This can charging on the other side also has the same indicator with the high temperature and the green lights indicator. This is when you're charging, this one side being fully charged on the left side. The right side is still not yet because double the volume, so it can charge one by one, totally independent. Once it's fully charged, both sides, the LED stop. You can test it by pressing the battery button to show all the batteries are fully charged, which is very nice. And here, overall, I really like it. It's 56 volts, fully compatible with Eagle battery, 4 amps, with effective cooling fan and also fast charging. I'll give 5 stars. Thank you.